Hello. We'll share 3 ways to transfer photos from iPhone to Android, whether you've got a new phone or just want to share photos with friends. These methods are simple and practical. Let's get started. The first method is sending photos via email. For sending photos and short videos from iPhone to Android, email is an option, but it has file size limits. The second method is sending photos via text message. While usage has declined due to messaging apps, it's still used for texting photos between iPhones and Androids or non-smartphones. The third method is using Mobikin Transfer for Mobile, a dedicated transfer tool ideal for transferring a large number of photos. Let's go through the detailed steps. First, visit the Mobikin website on your computer and download Mobikin Transfer for Mobile on your computer. After downloading, install it on your computer. Launch Mobikin Transfer for Mobile. Connect your iPhone and Android phone to the computer using USB cables. Mobikin Transfer for Mobile will automatically detect and display your devices. Select Photos as the content to transfer. Confirm your selections and click the Start Copy button. Wait a moment for the transfer process to complete. Once done, your photos will be successfully transferred from the iPhone to the Android device.